Yo, what is, come on Carlo, let's go. Alright, what's up y'all? Welcome back to another video. For today's video, basically I'm gonna get my mom reaction to the Ruckus, because she hasn't rode the Ruckus yet. She rode it when it was like, when I first got it and it was stock and everything. She hasn't rode it with the exhaust. She hasn't rode it while it's in that form. So primarily today's video is gonna be just me and my mom vlogging, I guess. But right now, you guys see the garage, it's a mess, bro. It is a freaking mess. So what I'm gonna do is clean up this entire garage so Christina can go back to sleeping in the garage so nobody would steal it, but I live in the burbs and they don't steal in the burbs. So time to hook up the tripod and do this time lapse of cleaning the garage.
Today's agenda, got the suitcase up in the central. Go to room 112, tell them Blanco sent you. Feel the strangers, if no money exchanges. I got these kids and rangers to leave them niggas brainless. All they told is stainless, you just remain as calm as possible. Make the deal go through. If not, here's 12 shots, we know how you do. Please make your killings clean. Slugs up in between, they eyes like true lies. Kill them and flee the scene. Just bring back the coke or the cream, or else your life is on the shelf. We mean this, Frank. The cats we fucking with the bombs in your mom's gas tank. Let's get this money, baby. They shady, we get shady. Dress up like ladies and burn them with dirty 380s. Then they come to kill our babies. That's all out. I got cats that blow the wall out.
Woo! I mean, the Integra can drive right in. I mean, I gotta worry about this. I don't know where I'm gonna put that. But for the most part, the garage is clean. I mean, I got my side good. I mean, I guess it's right. Look at my babies. Oh, I might take the car out for a ride today. I don't know. My niece is over, so I don't know if I can get the Ruckus video with my mom going today. You wanna go ride the Ruckus? Leave her by herself. Nobody gonna know. Y'all ain't gonna snitch. So you can leave Jazz by herself and you
Is you on crack? You think I'm gonna leave a 7-month-old baby here by herself? You tripping.
Well, bring her too.
You trying to make us go to jail?
Well, how about this? I put on my back and use some zip ties and hold it to my back. And then we gonna ride the Ruckus. I need some content for today. I don't know what to do. I could take the Integra for a drive. The garage is clean. I can park my car in the garage now.
This your house. You done took the garage. You done took the room over there. I just cook, clean, and be made.
Super facts. What if we park the Ruckus in the house?
No.
You ain't gonna park the Ruckus in the house?
No.
Why?
Person. No.
Why?
No. You doing the most.
But
now.
the Ruckus is clean. It's a show bike.
No. We can show in the garage. No. I got a 2013 out there and I got a ball head.
I have a 2011 Honda Ruckus rebuilt. Well, that blows. My Ruckus won't be able to park in the house. But I got my camera mount. I might just go on a ride. Talk about the next project for the channel. Now that the Ruckus is somewhat done, I'm not GY swapping until like many months from now because I want to dial in that 50cc. The Integra, I mean, it's going to be an ongoing project, but I know you guys want to see something new, some new content, some fresh, something different. I'm not doing a drift build. If you ask, yo, guys, about to do a drift. Drifting is dope, but nah, bro. I mean, I could make a drift build my own because I mess up everything I touch, so I think drifting would be perfect for me since I blow my motor anyway. Might as well blow it hitting some corners, so you know what I'm saying? But nah, no drift build. I'll probably do like a stance build. I know I'm gonna get hella dislikes for saying that. I missed the stance life, bro. Stance was dope. So, but I'm thinking I do want to get a Rocket Bunny EG. I really want a Rocket Bunny EG hatch, bro. Oh my god. The Rocket Bunny kit's 3Gs. I can find a clean hatch, or not even clean hatch. If it has rusty quarter panels, I'm gonna be cutting those anyway because I'm gonna fit some nasty wide boys on that beast. I don't know. I guess I'll hook up the thing and we can talk about what's the next project car for the channel. Will it start? It's been forever. 4 days, no crank, son. It's been about 4 days since I last started up the car, drove the car. So, I'm glad it turned on, so that's good. Alright, so what is next for the channel? The new project car. What's next, Zosh? What is next? You got the Ruckus done, your Integra hasn't blown up yet, so what's next? And to answer that question, your boy have no idea. I still want an RSX as a daily. I still want an RSX Type S 0506 as a daily driver. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be getting my RSX anymore. Well, an RSX anymore, because why spend about 7 or 8 grand on like a bone stock 0506 Type S when I can spend like 14 or 15 grand on the car that I actually want, which is an Evo 8 or 9. Now, my goal for this year was to hit 200,000 subscribers, and then as soon as I get 200,000 subscribers, we go out and find me an Evo 8 or 9. Now, I'm not too sure if I'll crack 30 more thousand subscribers before the year's over with. I have a couple more months, but I'm not too sure if I'll do it. It'd be dope if I can do it, but I'm not too sure if I will. So with that being said, we still got to get a project car on the channel to have some content and me to work on something new. Now, I do want to rebuild an EJ1. If you've been a part of my channel for a while, my first car was a 1995 Honda Civic EX Coupe, known as the EJ1 or the EG Coupe or EJ Coupe, whatever. There's so many variations of saying 1992 or 95 Civic Coupe. You got EG Coupe, EJ1, all types of stuff. I kind of want to rebuild that car, but do it for my mom because my mom did buy me that car for my first car, and my mom's a single parent. I come from a middle-class family. My mom raised 4 kids all her own, so like it was a big deal for her to buy me a car, and I got rid of it for this car like a dumbass. I kind of want to get that car again in like same color and build it the same way I did, just for my mom, and like give it to her as a token of appreciation. And then like me and her can cruise out to car meets and stuff like that. Driving this car. Speaking of my mom, I should take my mom for a drive in the car now that I'm off the rev limiter. I've never took her for a pull after I got off the rev limiter. Only person I took for a pull was my nephew. So moms, you know what I'm saying? If you're watching this, playboy, we gonna get it crack-a-lacking very shortly, because I wanna get your reaction to now my newfound power of no rev limiter. So that should be fun. But back to the topic of project car and what's new for the channel. I do want an EJ1. Or a DX, it doesn't matter. I want another Civic. I want a 92 to 95 Civic, whether it's a hatch or a coupe, preferably a coupe. But if I get a hatch, I do want to do the Rocket Bunny thing to it. I think that would be dope to do a Rocket Bunny EG. That would be awesome. I would be the first guy on YouTube with a Rocket Bunny EG that documented the whole build stuff. I think that would be very dope. Bring something new and different to the channel. But I also want to switch it up. I want a 240. One of my dream cars is a 180 Type X, right? Now, I really want an S13 hatch so bad, but it wouldn't be a drift build, it'd just be a clean show car build, I guess. Like, I want to rag on it and stuff like that. Like, I have a KA in there, I want to do an SR20 swap. I make it like budget friendly because I don't want to blow my money into something that could get stolen or wrecked. That sounded kind of stupid, huh? Yeah, that did sound stupid. But I really do want an S13 hatch. And look, you know what I'm saying? If any of y'all got a shell out there, you know what I'm saying, like any type of Honda shell that y'all don't want, and I can pick it up, you know what I'm saying? Rolling shell, preferably a rolling shell. If you would sell me a rolling shell for a good deal, you know what I'm saying, I'll pick that up off your hands, you feel me? I want to do a single cam build. I want to do a piston and rod single cam build on boost and make like 400 horsepower. I think that'd be fun. I just want to do something different, bring some new type of content to the channel. I don't got like freaking baller money. I can't go buy a freaking like an RX-7 or a Supra or freaking something that's like up there in price yet, because I still want to save enough money to get my Evo, and I just don't have thousands of dollars. I don't make grands and grands like how the other YouTubers do. I wish. If I was making 10 racks a month, I'd probably be in jail for not paying my taxes, because you know, when black folks get money, you know what I'm saying, we go Wesley Snipes. So, I don't want that to happen. But other than that, that's what I want to do next for the channel. I want to do like a project build video series for my mom. She kind of want a Ruckus now, so I think that'd be cool to buy her a Ruckus, and then like, I don't know, I want to just make a lot of cool memories with my mom. And thank you guys for all the love on the last video. Like, I know I got a great support system behind me. Like, I know you guys support your boy. I wasn't trying to like make it seem like I'm complaining. I don't want to seem like I was coming from a complaining place when I was talking about like the whole YouTube thing. It was just like, I just want to get off my chest. Like, I'm like tired. As a consumer of, you know, automotive YouTube videos or whatever, I just hate seeing the same thing over and over. Like, I'm just something different. So I just wanted to like make a video about it. And like, I'm glad a bunch of you guys agreed, man. Like, that was awesome. Like, I didn't get too much hate, which is, you know, I don't really care if people talk shit about me. But like, it was great. Like, you guys agreed with me, so that was pretty dope. Man, the Integra's driving great, bro. Idle's fine. Wideband numbers are great. I mean, it's kind of high. It's like 16, 8, 15. I think my wideband's going. I don't know, it could be. hopefully I crack 200,000 subscribers this year and I can get my Evo. That would be a great gift to myself. Like, I don't even care if I have to finance the Evo. I really want an Evo. I really want an Evo. I seen it coming like, yo, Zosh, bro, we gonna put your girl in the video. And the reason why I haven't put her on the video is because, like, with my last relationship, everything was out there. Like, I wasn't private, and that wasn't as good as I don't know, I thought it'd be cool, like, it was cool, like, for the most part, it was cool, but, like, this is my baby, bro, and I don't want to, like, put my stuff out there. Like, I want to keep things private, but I'm pretty sure since I'm doing this daily upload thing, and I'll be with her tomorrow, so I'm pretty sure, like, you guys will see her and stuff like that. Just wanted to clear that up on why you guys haven't seen my girl, because, like, I just wanted to keep my relationship life, my private life private, even though it's hard when you're a YouTuber. And one thing I hate, bro, I hate how all these YouTubers be, like, prostituting their girl for views, bro. That shit is so trash, dog. So trash. Why must you gotta prostitute your girl for views, bro? That shit is so weak and trash. You are trash if you do that. And if you're a girl and you do that for your boyfriend, you're trash, bro. That shit is trash. I understand YouTube's a business, but your girlfriend isn't a business, my G. Stop pimping her out for views. But I think that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this daily upload of me talking about what's going on with the channel. And a reminder, if you have a card that you wanna quote unquote give your boy for like a great deal, let me know. DMs are always open. Twitter DMs are always open. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram. Merch dropping soon. If you thought this video was dope in any way, shape, or form, could you please, hey, smash that like button for your boy? That'd be greatly appreciated. And Black Ice, please sponsor me, because I got like 100 black little trees. Bro, I've been driving with the windows up, and it is so hot, so I'm gonna put the windows down. And I will catch you guys in the next one. So I'm out. Peace.